Louie, my name is McKinley. You spoke to my associate Colleen on the phone. I just wanted to get this short video over to you showing you how you can outrank your competition online and get more leads and more customers. If by the end of this you can tell we have a lot of information that can help you grow your business and that's something you're interested in, please reach out to us and we'd love to chat. Otherwise, feel free to take these tips and put them into action for free. So starting out, I love this rotating header you have. It's super awesome. But scrolling down, I can see you don't have a whole lot of content. You have about 220 words, I believe it was. And Google typically likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage. They actually read all the words on your site, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to, and therefore what to rank you for. You can get your keywords in there as well, and keywords are just the phrases that people are typing into the Google search bar most frequently. So I wanted to show you this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB, and it's the first thing anyone sees when they search for something online. Almost no one ever clicks on View All, so it's really important to be in this top 3 right here. And you can do that by having more good reviews than any of your competition, and also by having more citations than them as well. A citation is anytime your business's name, address, and phone number are listed on the web. So I plugged your site into a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a better idea of the back end of your site. And you can see right here, you don't currently have any pages referring back to you that are registering for Google, or any backlinks that are linking to you either. And a backlink is anytime there's a link on another site, and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. They're really important, and you want to have as many of them as possible. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and it's really important to have high quality ones that are viewed as trusted by Google so that they'll view you as trustworthy. And if you're considered relevant to what you do through your content and your keywords, and then you're considered trustworthy in addition to that, Google's going to think that you bring value to the people that are looking for what you do. And if they think you're valuable, they're going to want to put you in front of as many people as possible. And that's the goal. You're not getting any regular traffic to your site yet, but you are on the top 100 pages of Google for 4 keywords. And if we take a look at those, you are in the bottom of the 4th page for this keyword, which gets 150 searches a month. But none of these words are bringing you any traffic right now. So what we would want to do is we'd want to get you into the first position for as many relevant high volume keywords as possible, because almost always, if you're in the first position for a word, you are getting 1/3 of the total volume as traffic to your site. Let me show you what that would look like. So this is your #1 organically ranked competition for the highest volume keyword. I believe it was actually just Naples car wash, which got about 300 searches, but we could also go after car detailing keywords as well. Scrolling down, he only has about 340 words of content, I believe it was. So it's not in the optimal range either, which means that if we were to get 1,500 words of quality content sprinkled with the keywords, that would already put you leagues ahead of him. So I plugged him into the same tool as well, and you can see he has 59 pages referring back to him and 238 backlinks overall. So what we would want to do is go into his backlinks and find the higher quality ones and replicate those for you, in addition to finding even more high quality links that he doesn't have. You can see he's in the top 100 pages of Google for 168 keywords. And if we organize them by his position on the page, he is in the first position for quite a few of them, and the second position as well. And I really wanted to show you that being in the first position is getting him pretty much exactly 1/3 of the volume as traffic. So 60 and 20. This one's kind of a fluke, so it is a little bit lower than 1/3. It's closer to 1/4. But this one is just over 1/3, and this one is over 1/3 as well. So for the most part, it's consistent. And even being in the first and second position for that many keywords is bringing him a total of 393 clicks of traffic to his site every single month. And outranking him would bring that much or more to you instead. And what would that do for you and your business? So on that note, I will leave you. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my phone number and my email. Feel free to contact me at any time. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have, go over your vision for the future for your business, and I will be in touch with you as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day.